Well, we have arrived at the Dole Whip float station. We are going to get ourselves, well, a Dole Whip float, right? Dole Whip float? Here, you get up in the order.
Come on, get me posing right here to save the day.
Mike opted for the traditional Dole Whip. Ryan is not going to get one.
Because I don't like pineapple.
A Dole Whip float, please. We are going to go for the Dole Whip float because I love pineapple juice. What do you feel about pineapple juice, huh? It's the best thing ever, isn't it? And now we're making wishes with the god Maui who roped the playful sun.
It's going to tip out and it's going to... Oh, my penny didn't fall out.
No, that means, you know what that means?
I broke it.
You're never going to get another wish to come true again.
Get out.
Did you make a wish?
Put it in there.
You wished that the penny would come out, didn't you?
Yeah.
But I can't make any wishes because all my wishes are out. Or
What's
my pennies.
You can hear the coins.
When it falls, when it comes back up, you can hear the coins I put in there. They're not coming out ever.
Ryan has made about $1.85 in wishes. I don't even know if the Maui wishes come true, man. Is he a proper wish god?
But now it's not coming out.
You try to put it in a little thing in there, but where is it in the thing?
Yeah, so now when it listen, when it goes back up, you can hear the chain jingle. Hold on.
I can't hear it.
It's just like a ting ding.
Of course, I can't hear anything.
Ting ding.
Wake up, Jose!
Wake up, Jose.
Oh, buenos dias, señorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are.
Oh no, it's showtime.
In the tiki room. It's all sing like the birds sing. Let's all sing and the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 while that bird sings sweetly.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrate. But me buckos, every cloud has a silver line.
Applause! Let's give the birds a standing ovation. Applause! Up down there, applause! Everybody stand up on your feet. Ole!
And now, as long as you're all standing,
we have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
All right, Fresh Baked, that's going to do it for this afternoon, this day, this part one. I shouldn't say part one. This first segment of our weekend show this week, I guess. The Disney Ninja and I are heading home because it's really hot and crowded, but no, that's not really the reason why. Because it's going to be hot and crowded tomorrow anyway. Oh God, look out! He was serious. He was very serious. We had to get out of the way. Anyway, we'll be back tomorrow because we're going to have Sara with us tomorrow, and we're going to be having lunch at the Blue Bayou, courtesy of Paparazzi Mike. Thank you very much, Mike.
Welcome.
Yeah, we'll be doing that tomorrow, and then we'll have some more show for you, obviously. And in general, it's going to be more show than you can handle. I hope you guys don't mind. It's going to be too much show. It's going to be way too much show. So until tomorrow, fresh baked.
Fresh baked.
I'm sorry, are we getting in the way of something?
He's on a business call right now.
What are you, yeah, is that the president?
No, it's Mom.
All right, Fresh Baked, we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, Fresh Baked. We are back as promised, and we are on Main Street, and it's 1 minute to 8 o'clock, and you can hear that guy, the guy telling us that the rope drop is happening as we speak. Once again, I am mere feet away from rope drop. What is wrong with me? Why can't I was going through bag check and getting on the bus and doing all kinds of things, and I'm taking my time about it the whole time, thinking I got plenty of time for rope drop. Another one happened without me.
Hey, good morning, Fresh Baked.
Do you guys see that? See what happened? I turned the camera on, and she just there's Sara.
There's like 4 shots of espresso and a tiramisu latte right now.
It's the Fresh Baked life, you guys.
It's a Fresh Baked latte.
4 shots of coffee and Sleeping Beauty's castle. So, where are we going there, Sara?
Per Derrickson's storybook land?
I have not been on the canal boats in
Why do I feel like we were just
85 weeks.
No, I feel like we've been passing it a lot lately.
We go by it a lot, and we say no, never mind, maybe later, is what we do.
Derrickson, I'm not impressed with the castle.
Well, there's not much to be impressed with. Mike was relaying some information last week, or yesterday, I mean.
About the castle?
Yeah, you said, was it you that said that the... Okay, let me rephrase that. It wasn't, I think it was Ryan yesterday. He said that it doesn't look any different right now because they've only done a little bit of it. And he said that I forget what he said, there's a silver or a gold or a something or other, and they're wanting to see how it looks, you know, how it reacts or whatever. I don't know. You know what? Go bug Ryan, okay? He's a cub reporter now, all right? I want to go to Fantasyland, dang it.
It's true.
I need some magic in my blood. Hey, look, it's that dude that tried to hit on Kitty the other day. Hook, you louse.
Well,
you smell codfish.
If it was Killian, it would
Oh, look at his Hatter and Alice, too. It's just a character morning. Good morning, Fresh Baked. That's another new one.
You ready? You ready? 1, 2, 3.
How magical. That's where we're heading right now, is these guys. Look, the line is short. It's perfect time to go. Let's do it.